I've spoken words to fill the air, chased every thought from here to there, but in the noise I lost the sound of deeper truth still underground. Now I listen, now I feel what's beneath the words is real. The quiet mind begins to see the voice of truth inside of me. Ideas dance like sparks of light, but meaning hid beyond the sight. Now I breathe, I slow the race, and find my calm in sacred space. I've learned that silence speaks so clear. The wisdom waits when I draw near. I don't need more to understand. The answers rest within my hands. Now I listen, now I feel what's beneath the words is real. The quiet mind begins to see the voice of truth inside.